I would have to say it's my mother, Catherine St. Julian. My mother was educated in Haiti, and she was a college administrator, and she was what you would consider a chief of staff. And although she was doing really well, she decided, along with my father, to migrate to this country because they wanted to give me and my brother access to better educational opportunities. And so she sacrificed everything. And when she came here, she started really from scratch. But instead of prioritizing her education, she instead just got a CNA license, and she worked at a nursing home as a nursing assistant for a number of years up until her car accident. But she motivated me, and she really taught me the value of hard work. She is a woman who really, in my eyes, has always been fearless. She will do it all, and she was the one who really supported me through my educational journey. When I enrolled in my PhD program, she said, "You could do this, and you're going to do it." So she would take time, months long, and come to visit me in Michigan and stay with me, take care of my family, just so I could concentrate on my degree. And so if I have a degree now, it's really because of her. And every time I wanted to give up, I thought about her and the sacrifices that she made, and I said, you know, I could do this, and so finally I did. I mean, she was a hardworking, I mean, she is still living. She's living with dementia right now, so she's not herself. But she taught me, you know, the value of hard work, the value of just doing things in a way that respects people